Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Watch GT Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring, try to not move around too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay. So let's continue with the measurement. The first thing you will need to do, usually, you will need to wake up the screen on your watch. So let's wait until it turns off. And now let's wake it up by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, press the home button again to open the menu. Now scroll through this menu, find the option called SpO2, this one, and tap on it to open the blood oxygen widget, SpO2 widget. And now I'm gonna put my finger on the sensor and tap on this measure button to start the measurement. So let's wake up the screen, tap on measure, and now let's wait. And here we have a result. You can tap on the measure button again to measure it again if you want, and also you have the graph from the whole day. You can also enable the automatic blood oxygen level measurements. So if you want to control it for the whole day. To do it, you need to open the Huawei Health app on the phone that is paired with your watch. In the app, you need to tap on Devices, select the Watch GT Runner from the list, scroll down, select the option called Health Monitoring, and here we have Automatic SpO2. Tap on it, and then tap on the switch to enable it. And now your watch should check your SpO2 levels automatically. Also, you can enable the low SpO2 alert if you want to be sure if you get the low level of blood oxygen levels, or rather of blood oxygen, my bad, the watch will warn you. So, and you can select the threshold you have disabled: 90%, 85, 80, 75%. Okay, let's disable it and close. And that's how you measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.